the next thing that you may want to do, and you can do this to a new sheet, you can do this to any sheet that you've already got in existence, and that is making your data just a little bit easier to read and work with. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go up to the upper left corner of our screen, and between A, as in column A, and 1, what we want to do is we want to click that little box just to the left and upper left of that A1 area. This is a default select all, so it's going to select everything in your sheet. So go ahead and do that. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our format menu up at the very top, select, and then from the format menu, you're going to see an option down near the bottom to choose alternating colors. I really like this because it makes following your data, especially in a large spreadsheet, a lot easier. So click on alternating colors. You'll then see a window pop out to the right side of your screen. Now, to show you what we did, we selected already in the upper right that range by doing a select all of 1 to 1000. Everything. If you haven't selected it yet, you can click on that little box, select the range that you want to do this color for, because maybe it's only a part of a spreadsheet you want to do this for. You can do that. And then from there, you can apply this rule to whatever you would like data selection. Styles. Most of us probably have a header at the top telling us what the name of each column is. You can select header. It will select it by default. Just to the right of that, you'll see footer. So if you've got a footer, you can add that too. And then underneath that, you'll see an option to choose something from a default style already set up for you, or underneath, you'll see custom styles. You can pick the own color of its header that you want, and then your colors that you want alternating. So it's kind of a you get to pick it. Customize it for whatever you want. For me today, and for you, I think it would be just easier to select one of the default styles to get started. Let's click on one of our styles. I think I'm just going to select the purple one today. And now we have our purple, white, and light purple rows. Now I can always change this up at any point in time and come back to it if I would like to. You'll also see an option down in the bottom right corner of our screen to remove those alternating colors and to begin again. In this case, we're going to click on Done, and that gets rid of that window. Now when we click anywhere in our spreadsheet, so now we can follow our rows a lot faster and a lot easier.